Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Trade Blazer. Welcome to yet another live learning session on options trading. Having said that, these are some of the important levels that I have drawn for today's intraday trading, and yeah, I have just posted these levels in the Telegram channel as well, and the price action respected these levels absolutely, right? So so these are some of the levels that I trade based on, right? So that is that are the levels that I'm going to post in the Telegram channel. If anyone wants to join the Telegram channel, the link is available in the description. And also please subscribe, like and share the video so that the right knowledge is shared across. Okay, so now let's get back. Okay, so somebody was saying that you can see here in the yesterday's Telegram channel also I have posted this. You can see here there is a minor resistance right at the support level I have drawn over here. Market opened somewhere here and reversed and then took the support and then bounced back from here. Okay, this is where I have entered into my trade also yesterday, and I can see that this is where I have drawn the line, and then you can see here market reversed and took support and bounced back from there. Okay, so this is how the level was respected yesterday exactly. So this is the answer for your question. And then yeah, let's get back for today's trading. So today my trade is that, let's say for example, market opens very much flat. If market opens little bit of negative and moves into this zone and rejected back down below this level over here that I have drawn, that could have been an immediate entry. But then since market was opening flat, I was waiting for a little bit of a pullback and then shorted the market somewhere here when this rejection has happened somewhere here. This was my first trade, but then ultimately I had to take the SL in the first trade of around 60 points of premium in Bank Nifty, let's say. I have traded in both big Bank Nifty and Sensex as well. So this was the yesterday's level that I was talking about. This is where exactly the price has taken support and moved away from here. So this could have been a wonderful trade. And then this is my today's first trade where I had to take the SL. Okay, after that I have taken the short entry once again because I have based on the opening price, today's opening price, I have a short view on the market, today's market. And once this is coming back and closing a strong candle, still I was waiting for a small pullback, and once this candle confirms, then I have made my entry over here. Okay, this is my second trade and I have captured this move over here. Somewhere around here I have exited my trade, and in the second trade, first trade I have lost about 60 points of premium in Bank Nifty. In the second trade, I have captured about 150 points of premium in Bank Nifty, right? So with that I made a profit close to 16,000 change in dhan, and just about close to 700 of profit, and it's a overall profit of around 17,000 for today. And yeah, so if you see that on the premium, 782 was the first entry, and then I have exited at 722, which is about 60 points of premium I lost in the first trade. In the second trade, you can see that my entry was around 793 and exit is 952. So more than 150 points of premium collected in the second trade. So that is how you have to keep your risk reward, guys, right? In the in the Sensex as well, you can see that in the second trade the entry was around 580 and the exit is at 720 712, right? Close to 130 points of premium we have collected in the second trade as well. So that's how you need to keep your risk reward, so that ultimately it is going to take care. With that, let's dive into our live learning session and see how I manage the trades and what is the psychology, and then try to learn something from there. See you there. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back. So I have entered into my first trade, guys. So you can see that I have bought 50,100 call over here of 150 quantity. So I will explain the logic. Right now it is in a little bit of loss, And yeah, so the logic is very simple. So the market opened flat. So my setup to go short mark, I was expecting the market to open, little bit of a gap down, but it opened flat and closed below the line that I have marked, the level that I have marked on the spot chart. So based on which I was waiting for a smaller pullback and shorted the market over here. And this is an aggressive entry, guys. Remember, and I might end up taking the stop loss also. But then in that case, I will again have the short view until unless the market is trading below the line I have marked. Okay, so that's the plan. And this line over here would be an area where if market tries to trade above this, then we may change our view, right? So that's the plan for now, and we'll see how this trade goes on. Just bought here 78,000, Sensex as well, guys, 78,000 put. So the logic is pretty much same for both, and we'll see how this trade goes on from here. Right now, both are trading with a little bit of loss. Yeah, we'll see. You can see that I have exited both the trades, guys, and yeah, so it's very simple. It's a very small pullback, both in Sensex as well as Bank Nifty, but the premium is going uh, a lot down, right? So already it's 60 points of SL that I have taken in Bank Nifty, and yeah, that's the reason I don't want to hold this trade anymore. Maybe if I get a better entry, I will try to go for a second trade, and that would be my final trade for today. Welcome back, guys. So I have entered into my second trade. Started the recording a little late, guys. So you can see that I have made an entry again into Sensex as well as Bank Nifty here, and the logic is pretty much same. So as I explained earlier, you can see that price went back on the spot chart, Bank Nifty spot chart. It touched the line that I have drawn over here. That's where we have decided if that is going to price is going to trade above that line, that is where we change our mindset, right? But then it got rejected from there, and then started falling from there. So that's where I have shorted the market over here. Again, I bought 50,000 put of Bank Nifty over here, this time on 50 quantity, and then Sensex I bought 80 quantity of 78,000 put again. So we'll see how this trade goes on from here. Thank you. Right now, it has covered almost the loss of first trade of around 15,000, and right now it is trading with a little bit of loss. We'll see how this trade goes on from here. You can see that there's a huge momentum in the spot chart, but then premium is not moving that faster accordingly. But then our target would be somewhere around the level that I have marked, where Bank Nifty starts breaking this level that I have marked on the spot chart. That's where it may start taking the liquidity and try to become sideways, or a little bit of a pullback towards the upside as well. That's where I wanted to plan my exit for the second trade. We'll see how this trade goes on from here. Earlier, Sensex put premium was not in sync with the Bank Nifty premium put premium because Bank Nifty premium was a little bit rising, but then uh, Sensex premium was little bit sideways, but then seems like it is right now in sync with Bank Nifty as well. And you can see that Bank Nifty spot chart is approaching towards our level over here. That's where Bank Nifty can become a little bit of choppy as well, or else it may take a little bit of pullback towards the upside. We'll see. You can see that Bank Nifty spot chart is breaking below the level that we have marked, the sell side liquidity. That's where Bank Nifty may become a little bit of choppy or reverse from here. So that's the reason I have exited this trade here, guys, and captured close to 160 points of premium in Bank Nifty and 130 points of premium in Sensex this time. And you can see that I made a profit close to 17,000 both together in Dhan as well as Zerodha. So there Zerodha, I delayed the second entry little bit. So that's the reason it was little cost to cost stay in Zerodha. So overall, it's a profit of close to 7,000. So the risk reward, guys. So I keep on saying two things. One thing that you need to concentrate on the win rate. Second thing that you need to concentrate on the risk reward. If you try to maintain these two factors better, your trading will be better, and then obviously you will become a profitable trader slowly, right? So with that, hope you have enjoyed today's session and learned something from today's live trading session. And we'll see you in the next one. Please subscribe, like, and share the videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.